Hi everyone, welcome everyone to my channel. I am so happy. I can't see you today, but I know that you are there. So today we'll make a quick unpacking of my packing, because inside this little parcel from OCHNIK I've got 3 pair of gloves that I hope they will match to my jacket, to my red jacket. Today I'm wearing just the black and red, just because I really love the red color. But I love the contrast, so I would love to wear red with the white, with the black, sometimes with the beige, and I think that this 3 combination of the colors that are just the best. So I've got also the red frames. I don't know if you can see it, but I hope so. Boots, they are from Marolo, and then Fernando gloves, also just a Mojito blouse, which is. It is kind of the jumper, nothing special, and River Island, my really old trousers. I found them on ASOS, so I hope that you will love my outfit. Just 2 colors, but inside this parcel I've got 3 colors, as I remember, of the gloves. So I hope that you will love it. Let's open it. So today I picked this parcel up and I just have to make the video. There is no way I will just open this parcel by myself without you. So I've got red. Oh my god, I think it's gonna be this color. You know how much I love to have the color of the cardinal red, just like the Vivienne boots of the Saint Laurent, or the boots or my jacket and my actually suit. And I think that this will be this color. They are red on the website, but I saw that they are like deeper red, exactly what I'm looking for. So I hope that they will be good. Then I've got navy color, which will match my new boots. I've got these boots in this dust bag behind me. And last color, I don't remember, probably black. Oh my god, they will be so good. The best winter gloves, because they have like a little bit fur, but do you know, these gloves cost like 10, 20, 15 euros. Very cheap. For 3 pair of gloves I paid less than 40 euro. So I can recommend you this brand. This is not any ad. They don't even know that I'm filming, I'm doing the videos, and I've got YouTube channel. I just bought them because I know that they making things really good. Quality, sometimes it is better, sometimes not. And it is depends. Some jackets I've got, and I really love this jacket. The best jacket with the gold zip, short, just exactly like I want. It is from the OCHNIK, and I pay for this jacket less than 100 euros, so it is a great price. And believe me guys, the summertime, it is the best ever time you can buy leather things, like such boots, jackets, coats, and everything costs less, like 15% off, just because it is summer. Nobody wants to buy and wear any leather, but in the 2 months everybody will start wearing leather again, boots and things like that. Just like I told you many times, even the summertime, like we have less than 20 degrees or a little bit over, we can wear nice denim shorts, and we can wear nice t-shirt, a tank top, anything, and we can wear a nice overknee boots. No need to be leather, can be denim boots, can be white boots, for example. I have really many beautiful outfits with the white boots. So I've got 1 pair of the really high, like too high. I cannot even walk in these boots. But so I have to find a nice white boots. I've got my ivory ones, which they are very like dark white, let's say. And I really love these boots. You can come back to my Friday video, last Friday video. You can come back to this video and you can check the outfits. No, they are not summer outfits. The spring to summer transition outfits, they are on Tuesday. I think Tuesday. So you have to come back to last week Tuesday video and you will find last outfit will be the best. So please keep watching these videos every day, and you will find really great outfits, fantastic inspirations. just everything what you've got in your wardrobe actually you can use. You don't have to go to shop and every day buy something new, or every week or every month or every year. You don't have to buy anything. Just I want to use everything but I love to refresh my wardrobe. This is all about the fashion, just to refresh something, just to add something new. I really love this. And just if someone say that you are crazy about the shopping, no, I just I love to shop because I love the new things, fresh things. I just love it. And we have just one life, so why should I just keep wearing old stuff all the time? We have to just enjoy so many new beautiful things to wear. Why not? I will take the boots out from my wardrobe and show you. This is the color that I'm looking for. So you can see the difference between the red and everything. So this is like very deep red color, but not yet burgundy. It is important with the colors. A difference between the red color and this color, it is very visible, I think. So now let's open the first pair, and you will see the price, the real price on the tag. I'm so happy that they attach tags and they have the sticker with the actual price. Very similar. I love this. I think that this is exactly what I've been looking for. You know so far that I cannot wear any long gloves under my red jacket, just because it is like a little bit sleeves that they are not wide enough to wear something under. So I think that they will be just perfect. Color, it is exactly like I want. It is not red, it is exactly red, deeper red that I'm looking for. You can see the price. The first price, it was 129.90, which is around 20 euro, and then we have 69.90. This is like 50% off. I am so happy. This is what I've been looking for. Then I've got these boots, the new Fernando, that you can find of course the video. I really love this one. Oh, look how beautiful with the red color they will look also. So you can really match the color actually with everything, but I think that most beautiful outfit will be all navy that you will find on the site now, with my navy blazer, just white blouse or any white shirt, navy trousers that I thought that I would just throw them away because I really don't like these trousers at all, but I found them with this navy blues like the best match. Let's check the navy gloves that I can match with my navy trench coat. I've got the trench coat and I've got, oh my god, beautiful. And that's size 6.5, both pairs. So oh my god, I love it. It is a little bit different shade, I can see it. But anyway, oh, love it. I think that I will keep everything. Just I will check the jacket, I will match the jacket in a minute, and I will wear something navy. Maybe I will bring the navy coat, so we will check. There is no price on it, but I found them half price too. There is no sale price because they cost exactly the same like the red. And now oh my god, they are incredible. I love them and I will be wearing them with my coats, with my jackets. They are size 6.5 again, and they cost like 229. So I pay less than half of this price. So there is like 60-70% off. Oh my god, I've got a great 3 pairs of the gloves. It's gonna be a great thumbnail, I think. I love it. I love it. So let's try them on. Whoa, today it is a little bit hot. So wearing gloves, it isn't a great idea. But anyway, I have to try them. I also lift my hair today a little bit with the round brush, but it's not that easy. I don't know. So I've got size 6.5. We have the touch screen fingers. They are a little bit longer. What it is really great. I love them. Oh my god, really nice gloves. These four. I don't know if we can make it. No, they are just like. Oh my god, love it, love it, love it. So let's try the other one. I think I will remove the tag anyway because I don't know why, but fingers are quite long. So if someone have smaller hands, size 6.5 will be definitely too big. Oh. So in my opinion, they fit and looks already good. They have inside wool. I really feel that they are very warm. So size 6.5, you can see everything here. Size 6.5, they have really nice fur, which is very shiny. I love the little straps on them. So looks really, really great on the hand. I think that with any jacket, any coat, they will look incredible. Now the navy one I will try. So you can see that we have the touchscreen fingers too. Pair number 2, there is no wool lining, you can see, and there is like only just a fabric, probably the polyester. Their size also 6.5. This is the smallest size from OCHNIK. But you know that leather will stretch with time. Oh, they're a bit too small. Or maybe my hand sweat a little, so that's why. I have to go today and grab my parcel, from my mom, because I ordered for her. I found a really great jumper. She'd been looking for a nice long cardigan, and I found one. I think that they will stretch, so I think I will keep them. They look really, really great. It is a little bit different shade, I know, from the boots, but very similar, very close. So I will keep them because I've got my trench coat in the navy color, and always I've been looking for a nice gloves that they will match. So no, always will match everything to every outfit. Black gloves, of course, but I love to have the same color of the gloves, or sometimes I love to have a contrast, but usually I love to have gloves in the same color like the sleeves are, so it is a really, really great idea. Keep them for sure. And last pair, I'm a little bit scared. They're exactly the same like the navy gloves, but I will keep them anyway, I don't care. Exactly the same size, but you see, they are a bit bigger. Oh my god, I love it. They should have a little zip, just to nice fit around the wears, but I'm so happy that they are not that short. They are a little bit longer, so they will be perfect under the sleeve. Where is the boot? Love it. Oh my god. Yeah, gloves are perfect. This is I will bring the jacket now and we will compare the color with the jacket, but I think that this is it. I found what I want. So I have to remove the tags, so I need a scissors this time. So yeah, they're like, maybe they're size 7. No, they're size 6.5. And they are just red. This is the sheepskin leather, and lining it is 100% the polyester. So you can see the size, it is 6.5. I'm not lying. Great! This is going on all the time. I think about something and this happening. I think about a perfect red color of the gloves that they will match my jacket, and here we go. So they are a bit longer, so they fit perfectly under the sleeve. Color it isn't the same, never will be, but it is very close. They are not red like I've got these gloves, but I don't really like this match with this jacket. We can wear black or we can wear red. I don't think so that any other color. Just I tried one time beige, not really. Looks like a, I don't know, fake hand or something. Maybe the navy color will be interesting. Let's check. Oh, not this hand. Yeah, probably I will put them on a few times and they will be fine. Like I said, the leather will stretch, will just get your body temperature, and for sure will be a little bit, I liked it. So navy color looks very interesting with this, just a huge contrast also, of course, but I like it. So let's try the black too. I think the black will be great. It's gonna be a really fantastic glove. Just I paid like 40 euro for all these gloves, but I think it is really worth it. They are very warm. Just I feel like here is like 30 degrees inside, so hot. And tomorrow will be worse. But so what do you think about this? That really good will look good with any coat. I think bigger coat, heavy coat. Because with this jacket, I think that these gloves are the best. Not really gloves with any fur, because fur for me it is very winter vibe. Not really now, especially that there is this wool and it is just too hot. But for sure, I am so happy. Gloves that are great, and I can just finally I've got complete outfit with my red cardinal boots and my jacket. Right, so I've got my old gloves and I will keep them all. I hope that you like this video. Let me know which pair you love most. Maybe the with the fur, maybe the red ones, or maybe the navy ones. So I'm very happy about these all colors that I found them. I don't know why, I'd never seen them before with at OCHNIK website. I don't know why, but exactly. They are perfect. I just risk a little because they look a little bit lighter on the website, but I thought that okay, the pictures that are always like not really true, and they are really okay. I am so happy. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon in the next video. Maybe this video I make a little bit too long, like for the gloves. Let me know in the comments. So 3 new pairs in my collection. Soon I have to make an update again about my old gloves, but I'm waiting for 1 more pair. Very long. And I hope that next week will arrive. If not, then maybe next month. I don't care, but they will arrive for sure. They are just made just for me, and maybe in the future for you. So thank you once again. Bye!